This is how I light a petrol barbecue the safe way. Get your charcoal. Shake the required amount on there. Get your petrol. Now before you get your petrol, take 3 matches out. Always keep 2 spare, because if it doesn't light properly, your petrol's just all evaporated off. Just going to put these matches here. Take your petrol. Pour the petrol onto the barbecue. Take the supply petrol, move it well away. Then light the first match and just toss it on. Super easy, super safe, no explosions, no injuries. That's how to light your barbecue.